Hey, all you Goldwing people out there. Just added something today to, I don't know if we can see that or not. Watch the lizard. The lizard's broken. It looks like a big shadow on the ground right now, but let me get it over here. Here we go. That's a little bit better. I don't know if you can tell by this, but this is my dipstick. Not my personal dipstick, but dipstick out of my 2023 Honda Goldwing. And I was having some issues with actually getting my hands in there and untightening the dipstick. For all you guys out there, you know that it's in a cramped area. I saw this on Traxxion Dynamics, a fellow named Max McAllister has a shop called Traxxion Dynamics. I've gotten a few things from him that work, seat bolts and other things, and pretty soon I'm gonna buy the belly pan. But this right here, this dipstick extension, it slides right on the top of your dipstick, but you mix some epoxy and you put it down inside the extension in here, and then you jam your end into this. But before you do that, you drill a little bit of a hole in your dipstick handle at the top, like a 1/8 inch hole, and the epoxy sets up pretty well. And it's I did it just have some nice size pliers or something to help you, because you're pushing it down, you're gonna see a lot of epoxy come out. Anyway, I like it. It does really well down here. So let's see if we can get over here and show you exactly what happens. There's the oil hole, and we'll slide this right down in there. And if you remember, the old stick did not come up very far, but now you can actually just sit on the bike and not have to look for it. And there it is, completely screwed in. And it does not interfere. It looks like it's very close right there, but it does not interfere with anything. So this is a good little investment. It ran me about $33. Traxxion Dynamics. Look for that on YouTube. It'll show you how to install it. And it'll actually go to traxxiondynamics.com and see all of Max McAllister's goodies that he has there at Traxxion Dynamics. Love this. It's going to be a lot easier for me to get the dipstick out. All right, guys, have a good one.